Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to sell stuff on AliExpress. So I will need to use my browser. Open your preferred browsing system and you want to search sell.aliexpress.com, and here on this page at the top you should see orange button. This is Join AliExpress button. And this is the page of AliExpress Global Seller Center, and this is basically a registration form. So firstly you should select the country you're registering from. So note that AliExpress allows sellers from just some specific countries, so make sure that your country is included and supported. Unfortunately, as you can see, this list is not so big, but I think in the nearest future AliExpress will fix it. So select your country and then email. Select email, provide email that which you want to be connected to that seller center, and then when you entered your email address you should tap send button right here to receive verification code to your email address that you have just provided, and enter email verification code right here. And in the very end you should set up a password for your seller account. So come up with the idea of your password right here, and then repeat it once again in the second field. And when you are done and everything looks fine, you're ready to submit this information. You should see this register button. It should be blue, but in my case it's inactive. So press this register button and I will sign in to my seller account to show to you how it looks like, how it should look like. This is the page where you should fill in the information about enterprise, business, and store information. So you will need to provide your store name, a description of what you plan to sell, and possibly some identification or some business documents. And basically when your all information is submitted, AliExpress will review your application, and this usually takes up a few days. And if everything is approved, you will get an email confirmation, and then you can access your seller dashboard directly from your browser or by downloading the application AliExpress Seller, and then just you can start selling on AliExpress. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.